these were the utilitarian vessels that every household had to keep lard or butter or meat or whatever they had to preserve. These are butter churns that they used to churn butter. 2 gallons are harder to find because they weren't really big enough for large families at that time. They made open crocks like this up to 60 gallons, which are probably about as tall as I am.
Wow.
Very hard to find. They made so few, so they're very collectible. It's always supply and demand. A lot of collectors want one of every size from 2 gallon through 60 gallon. They didn't start using the white glazes until the mid 1890s, so around the turn of the 1900s on. So if it's this old, what they call salt glaze, which they actually threw salt in the kiln to form a natural glaze over the pottery. So that will date a piece before 1895, anyway, from 1877 to 1895. Usually what gets people hooked are the red wings.
Sorry, say it again?
The red wings on
see.
these open crocks. Even though they didn't start using this logo until, we think, 1909. Before that, they had the old salt glaze and birch leaves and other kinds of logos. But for some reason, this red wing seems to hook people at auctions or when they first start.